Now, so what I want to say is, when due to the price of a commodity, of that commodity, the demand changes, the quantity demand changes, that is called change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded. Matlab, the change will be along the same demand curve, like this, see? The change will be along the same demand curve. Hey, but there are other factors also. We have seen change in taste and fashion, change in the income, change in the total number of consumers. है तो और क्या क्या बता इंडिविजुअल डिमांड कर्व में बहुत सारा कंडीशंस में है ना price of the related commodities, pattern of income distribution, demographic structure, all these things lead to the change in demand. So that is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Change in quantity demanded is due to the price of that commodity, but change in demand is due to the price of related commodity, income, demographic patterns, and whatever other factors are there, that is cause. So in change in demand, there will be a different demand curve. But in change in quantity demanded, the movement will be along the same demand curve. Understood? Huh? Now, movement along a demand. अच्छा, एबार ये जे change in demand, इसका बाद दो प्रकार हो सकता है. When there is a positive change in demand, so it will go to the right. And if there is a negative change, see, the demand will go to the left. So there can be two cases. And in case, then we comes to the movement along a demand curve. The demand can also change along a fixed demand curve that I told you just now. Means when the price falls, the demand rises. This is the price. See here, you can show this. This is called expansion. That was increase in demand, decrease in demand, and this is expansion in demand and contraction in demand. See beta, abhi dekho, the price originally was P0, the quantity was Q0. Now the price has fallen to P1 and the quantity has risen to Q1. So there's a jump from A to B along the slope of the demand curve. Again, if there's a contraction of demand curve, when the price was P0, quantity was Q0, now the price has risen to P1, so the quantity has fallen to Q1, okay? So there's a shift, the contraction, this is called from E to F, there's a contraction in demand. So this was come here, this was known as increase and decrease of demand. When there will be a shift in the demand curve, but when there is expansion of and contraction of demand, there will be no shift in the demand curve. The movement will be along the same demand curve. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Eber knows. Stop it.